I said in my beginning of speech that energy flows on the path of least resistance. Energy flows along the path of least resistance. Everything is saying here looks funny, looks new. If you accept it, if you just follow, tremendous things can happen. I did, and I'm enjoying that. Right? So anything it says, if you believe, you are going to get a lot of results. If you don't believe, it's not no problem. Okay? The things they brought also are also on that path. If you want, if you believe, you can get them and enjoy it. This is free, but there are items there that are not free. There's another one, the one is using. It's not free. Yeah, that one has more work on it. Okay? So they are valuable for sale. Sometimes if you want to do serious prana healing, you can combine this and this. You can handle 4 things at the time, higher voltage. So they are valuable, and they have some. Let me show you. We have the table calendar. I have this from Sri Lanka. Each of the month has something. This is the wind, the flying.
All Mother Nature.
All Mother Nature, right? Like the earth, the sea, the moon, each.
You got money, sir? Come. This month, the month of March, we bless the moon. Next month, April, we bless the rain. The month comes, rain must go all over the country. We will bless the rain. The month of May is money. For the 1,000 francs, 200 euros, 500 euros, Iranian currency, Kuwait currency, Bahrain, $100, 500 euros, 1,000 Sing dollars. 1,000 Naira. Stock being, return, stock being coming down. Correct, sir? Put the hands down, put the money down. Hands up, please. Stop in. Good. Correct, sir? Put the money on top of this. And read now, whatever you can read.
My money is money of divine fire. Our family money is money of divine fire. Our company money is money of divine fire. Our country currency is currency.
Country's currency is divine fire.
World currency
World currency.
currencies of divine fire. Thank you to all the money that I am receiving every day. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Okay, sir. Hold the money now.
You also have the affirmation booklet. What you have there is one of our...
Understand?
Of what is
Listen to me. So this calendar that we give to everybody, I'm sorry we cannot give. Because it makes so much. This calendar is remove black magic. I mean, every Sunday, every full moon, new moon, you sit down at 2:30. 2:30 Nigerian time, we'll remove the black magic. Okay, my friend? You must have the calendar. There. Okay? So next month, this month, June will be for trees. This month will be the mountains and mountains and clouds. And then this month is all about butterflies. You know these butterflies? You can never see the butterflies anywhere in the world, only in a place called Siva.P in Mexico. They fly from Canada. They fly 6,000 kilometers to go to there to breed and fly back again. Month of winter. They fly 6,000 kilometers. We were there last month. We were there. When Siva.P had a boat shop, you can see millions of butterflies flying everywhere. They take the sac, and the male make love to the female one. The male will die within 2 days. The female will make the larva. The larva will grow, and they fly back to Canada. Yes, men die too. Not African men. African men look for more wives. Like that. So here is the ocean. So we need the ocean. Why we need the ocean?
Fish.
Water. Fish, madam. Water. Water. You can live without fish, but you can live without water. The water must come from the ocean. And they get the water. Who brings the water? Who brings the water from the ocean? The clouds.
Cloud evaporates.
The clouds. The river. The clouds. The wind. The mountain. And becomes again rivers and lake and go back to the ocean. All the rivers that fly down here is the ocean water going down there. So we need the ocean. That's why I never put any fish there, madam. All think of fish and eating only. No need. Need.
We have a program like 3.
Yes, sir?
Not magic 3.
Yes, sir.
He's still explaining
Hey,
something.
let me tell you something. I'm not sure my anyone can share anyone can share with me the no.
You wanted to show you the new material for me later.
No, wait. Don't go anywhere. I'm going to the black magic.